Department of Health is reporting nearly 2,000 new COVID cases today. The numbers show a backlog of cases from the last week, according to the county.
Here they are. More than 1,800 new cases have been reported. Most are lab confirmed, but more than 100 are from at-home tests. 517 people are hospitalized in the Finger Lakes region. 121 are in intensive care units. Today, county and medical leaders addressed the surge and said with these numbers, they're sticking to the current New York State isolation guidance, not the latest CDC recommendations. With what this means, Christian Garzone joins us with more.
Well, John, the CDC updated their guidance last week, saying isolation time for a COVID-positive case should be 5 days now as opposed to 10. Now, Dr. Mendoza says in Monroe County, we're staying with the current New York State guidance, which means for COVID-positive people, it's still 10 days of isolation. Mendoza says they will update when necessary, but reminded all the holiday gathering period is still not over yet. New Year's Eve is tomorrow, after all, and it's too premature to adjust course. Hospital numbers are also a big talking point, as they have been now for weeks. URMC said with elective surgeries off the table, if these COVID cases keep skyrocketing, essential surgeries might have to be considered. We're not there yet, and they hope we won't be. Vaccines, they said, most likely mean you will not die of COVID. A vast majority of patients in our region are hospitalized and are unvaccinated. As we now get ready to hit a 2-year mark in the pandemic, Dr. Mendoza says he understands most of us are over it in many ways, but now is a critical time in this fight.
No one wants to see this impact our society, our schools, our businesses, or our livelihood any more than it already has. We have been beating the drum for months about all of the things that we can do to beat this pandemic, and I will reiterate them today, but through the lens of where we are in this new stage of the pandemic, fighting a new enemy at a time when we are all tired of all of this and just want to go back to a more normal time. Let me begin by reminding you that no preventive measure is perfect.
Now, the county executive says he wants to keep the economy and schools fully open, but also wants to keep everyone alive. In short, vax, boost, test, and mask. John, back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you. The county executive did say we've not seen the last of this surge. Expect numbers to climb even higher in the coming days. Meantime, Monroe County is handing out KN95 masks to frontline workers. They are being dropped off or made ready for pickup for healthcare workers, county school districts, and employees, nonprofits, and local first responders.